Now this is how we can turn on the picture-in-picture mode on the iPhone. Let me talk about it and explain. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can find it whenever you go inside of the settings page of the or settings app of the iPhone and then tap on the general menu. Part of the general, you can see right there we have the options like about and software update, and below we have the picture-in-picture mode. So there's just one toggle which you have the ability to enable. It's called start PIP, which stands for picture-in-picture, of course, automatically. And this means that whenever you have it supported, you can just leave and minimize the app, and the video is going to be played in a smaller window. So if you have, for example, YouTube Premium, which I'm a big fan of actually, you can see that you can be watching that video in a full screen and then leave the app, and it's going to be starting automatically, right? So it will have the ability to just play it in the smaller window. So that's one thing. That's the first side of the story, really, because for some other apps you can also enable it in those particular settings. So in the YouTube example, I would have the ability to go to the app, tap on the settings, and find the picture-in-picture here as well, right? So that would be kind of important to if I go to the playback section, you can see that settings, playback, I also have the picture-in-picture mode, and it also has to be turned on in here. So if you have some other services or places where you watch content, make sure to explore the settings of those apps as well to make sure it is turned on in there as well. But outside of that, it should be fine. So I would really love to hear your feedback and whether or not you were able to set it up for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.